name's Rachel, Naturalization Division Manager, Quiet Nature. So we're in week 5 of a 5-week contract, tree planting all throughout the GRCA, the Grand River Conservation Authority landscape. This is the crew in behind me here. We've done, by the end of this week, we'll have done 30,000 seedlings and close to 20,000 tall stock trees, so larger trees. So we're doing really well. Everybody's really excited to be close to the end, and we've had a really good time so far as well. The reason we do tree planting, aside from the fact that it's a lot of fun, we like to be outside, is the Grand River watershed benefits from tree planting all throughout its watercourses. It helps manage stormwater in a big way, and I think that's probably their priority. We've had a lot of nasty storms in the last couple of weeks, and it makes a big difference if there's lots of treed areas throughout the watershed. Nature has a naturalization division, and we predominantly plant trees. Private clients, conservation authorities, and developers as well. This is a special site to me. A lot of mud, sweat and tears went into this job site about 5 years ago. All along the stream channel on this property are live stakes, about 70,000 of them. Yeah, so these are from the live stakes of the willows that we did about 5 years ago. They're doing really well. Willows and dogwoods and poplars, and they've come a long way over the last 5 years. They help around the bends of streams for soil erosion, and they also provide some great habitat for bird species. Some of them are well over my height now, so it's pretty exciting to come back and see that. So we're on this section of the project, we're planting white spruce and white pine in this flat sort of buffer area next to the stream. There's about 1,600 specified for this spot. So again, this will help with soil erosion and slowing down the water before it enters into the watercourse. So this is my crew of 8 for this spring season. Again, we're in our 5th week of tree planting, so I'll get them to say hi. Say hi, guys! My favorite part of my job is working with great people who have sort of the same priorities as Quiet Nature, which fortunately for us has been really easy to find. This is Allie Gordon, one of our expert tree planters this spring. Allie, what's your favorite part about tree planting?
With most landscaping companies, when you walk away from a project, you're pleasing your clients, which are humans, but for our projects, it's a lot of the animal species and wildlife that we actually get to please, so it's really satisfying.
Making the animals smile, and it's mostly going to be in 20 years, which is a beautiful story.
they're still pretty happy to be planting, even though we're closing in on the end, so it's pretty exciting. In addition to the tree planting throughout the watershed that we're doing this spring, some of the other services we provide in terms of naturalization are stream bioengineering, large-scale boulevard tree planting, we do seeding of meadows and tall grass prairies, and a lot of these services are offered all throughout the southern Ontario area.